Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use WhatsApp. If you're using any iPhone or any Android and you want to use WhatsApp, so let's see how can I do that. So very first you have to simply open your App Store or Play Store and go for search, and you have to simply search for WhatsApp here, and you have to try to install WhatsApp app. If you have already installed, so you have to try to update that app. So after starting the update, you must have to wait until the app's completely updated. And once your WhatsApp app got installed, you just have to tap on your WhatsApp, and your WhatsApp app will be open. After opening your WhatsApp, you must have to try to create an account. Once your account has been created, you will get this type interface into WhatsApp app. Now to use the WhatsApp, just the chats and calls and this community section. Here's the updates and here's the settings for your WhatsApp. Now if you want to start or create a new chat, just tap on this plus option here in the top right corner. In your Android phone, you might get the plus option here, so you must have to tap on the plus option and just select if you want to create a new group, new content, or you can also chat with different AIs. So you have to select the contact from here with which you want to make a chat. So for example, I'm going to select this one. Just select that contact, and you have to enter a message which you want to send. Once you have sent the message, your message will be sent. You can use this microphone option to make a voice. You can also use this camera option to send photos, or you can use the sticker option to send different stickers here. And after that, you can add more things. It might be photos, your camera, location, and content, and AI image, event, or also create a portal, or you can also select document. So you can send from using your files app here. Here's the call section. You might get all of your outgoing or incoming calls here. And here's the communities. Tap on the communities option. You can easily create a new community from here. Or you can also see some example communities from here using this option here. You might get different communities here. After that, go to this update section and you will get all of the updates or the status of your friends or the content here in this section. And after that, tap on the settings option in the bottom right corner and you will get different settings here. You can also edit your bio or your edit profile here, your name. You can also enter your profile picture here. And after that, go back from here. And here's some lists. You can also make your chat backup using this chat section. Go to chats and tap on chat backups and backup your chat. You can also export your chat if you want. And here are some different settings. You can also link your different devices to your WhatsApp using your iPhone or any Android phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.